World Greatest Attraction, Bohol, Philippines. There are 16 festivals in Bohol. First, Sandugo Festival, July 1 to 31. 2. Tagbilaran City Festival, May 1. 3. Agbunan Festival, June 28. 4. Balibong King Festival, May 23 to 24. 5. Hudyaka City, Panglao, August 28. 6. Katigbawan Festival, June 17 to 24. 7. Pahinungod Festival, month of May. 8. Pandayan Festival, February 27. 9. Sambat Mascaray Regatta Festival, first Sunday of December. 10. Kasadyaan sa Napo, Napo, Loon, Bohol, first Sunday of February. 11. Sidlaka-Silak of Festival of Lights, Loon, Bohol, August 30 to September 8. 12. Sinugbaon Festival, May 27. 13. Sinuog Escoda Festival, September 21. 14. Soroy sa Musikero, December 25 to February 2. 15. Bohol Festival, month of May. 16. Ubi Festival, January. The total area of Bohol is 4,821 kilometers squared and the population is 1,255.1. The most tourist spot attraction in Bohol is Chocolate Hills. The Chocolate Hills, a geological formation in Bohol Province, Philippines. There are at least 1,260 hills, but there may be as many as 1,776 hills spread over an area of more 50 square kilometers.